So now that the zin's in, we're ready to go. So welcome back to another pretty much just day in the life of Forex trader. So as you know, I'm currently in Warsaw, Warsaw. Just ordered my Starbucks. It should actually be arriving very, very shortly, as you can see here. As I was saying, we are going to pretty much just focusing mainly on GBUSD because obviously it just moves better, cleaner, and I prefer it much, much better. So what I've actually just had is I just had my Starbucks. I got a caramel iced latte. Had a bagel with egg and bacon, and I had a nice little dessert strawberry cheesecake. Yeah, let's give you a quick tour now. So obviously we've got the door right there, nothing really interesting. Let's start here. So we've got the bathroom, toilet. So we've got the nice shower here, nice little mirror here, my stuff obviously, toilet. Let's turn that off here. And then obviously we've got the kitchen. We've got a nice mirror actually here first, looking all sexy. We've got a kitchen here. Nothing too obviously shabby. Nice little Camel cigarettes. We've got obviously stove, blah blah. Excuse the mess on the table. I've just literally been eating this Starbucks. We've got a nice sofa there, a TV. Then we've got my room here, as you can see. It's just a nice bed, obviously. And then pop over here. We've got a nice balcony. As you can see, a lot of snow in Poland currently. It's actually not too cold today. Here in Warsaw anyway, it's only 0 degrees. It's got probably like 1-2 degrees today, which is pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much, that's the apartment. It's nothing too obviously said massive, but it's pretty nice, cozy. And yeah, I can set my own temperature obviously if I'm too cold or too hot, which is handy, especially in these weather conditions as well. And yeah, pretty nice. I've literally been here for a couple of days now. Probably will be heading back home to where I'm from tomorrow I think morning, and then it's much fucking cold. It's like -7, -8, and during the night I'm minus up to 25 degrees, so it's much colder there. So if you don't want to miss out on these sessions, guys, make sure to click the link in the description, join my free group. From there you can join any services, guys, that I offer, or if you just want to ask me any help to do with trading, I'm more than happy to help you guys free of charge. Obviously I don't have to, you don't have to pay me to give you any advice or help. If you want to pass funded challenges, wherever, more than happy to help you guys. But yeah, quick update obviously on what's going on right now, what I'm doing. I've actually entered into EURUSD shorts and GBUSD shorts. This is on my third challenge I think. I have a funded pips, so I'm trying to obviously pass out on phase 1 currently, as you can see right here. If it actually focuses, don't know if it'll focus. Just trying to find my face at the moment. There you go. As you can see, so right now obviously EU's running some nice profits. GU is just hovering around entering a little bit of drawdown. Now the reason why I took these two shorts, I haven't actually sent it to the premium group yet as a trade. So as you can see, this is the EU trade that I took, as you can see right here, and this is my GU trade. As you can see both just around entry, and the reason why I took this, if we hop into DXY, as you can see right here, when the market opened, we've left a gap. And this gap has not yet been filled. Not only that, guys, you see on the 15-minute and another time frames, we have actually left some really nice, as you can see here, 97330. We have some really nice equal highs. Now, what as you can see DXY is doing, as I wanted to do, is we're going to push higher, fill this gap, take these highs, and once that actually does that, then we'll be looking to either see where price is on my trades I took, and we're going to close them early if price want to continue pushing higher, because usually what happens is once the gaps get filled, price usually on DXY will react, and we might be heading for Asian lows. You can see they were created right here, which still have not been taken. So what I'm going to do is be patient, and we'll probably send the trade in, probably either shorts, just a quick 1 to 2 to fill this gap, or we're going to wait for this gap to be filled, and then we're going to be sending shorts. Then we'll be sending shorts obviously once we took fill the gap as well. Looks like Visa Effects has actually just arrived at my door. Let's see who it is. Oh shit, look who it is, boys. He's here. So I was just saying, I'll give you a quick update, guys, on this trade. So right now we're running actually in some profit. Total balance Okay, so we are running actually right now roughly overall balance just heading towards our 1%. DXY is doing really nicely, it's heading higher, so if I could show you my balance right now on my phone, you can see running in some nice profits right now. It's going to be patient and wait for it to react, and then as soon as I said, DXY takes, obviously as you can see right here, takes these highs and fills a gap, then we'll be looking to obviously close our trades early or leave them running if DX wants to head any higher. We are running nicely, as you can see, 4% balance is in profit. So this is going so far so good. We're going to continue holding it and keeping a close eye on DXY as well. Make sure that as soon as obviously fills the gap or takes those equal highs as well, I need to be ready to either close my trades or manage my risk properly. Both the trades right now, guys, are at break even as well on my account. So hopefully, guys, this ends up pretty well, and we managed to pass phase 1 today in a single day, because obviously that's what these funded accounts are for, is to trade them in a way where you can pass these accounts very fastly and get pairs from them, and it's pretty much a quick rinse and repeat. So what you're seeing right now in this video is literally how I do this pretty much on a daily basis, guys. So yeah, my position as well, guys, I've closed them all pretty much around break even, and I'm back in it in longs, mainly because, I don't know if you can see that. Mainly because the news that's coming out is going to say it's the forecasted very strongly that it's going to be positive for the euro. Hence why now I've closed the sell positions and I've entered into long positions. Now this is exactly what you have to do. You have to always be on the market, analysing it, and make sure you can see where price is reacting or changing sort of direction in the market as well. So let's see what happens right now. We'll each have news in 3 minutes, as I said. What I'll do is I'll pop the camera back up open and I'll go on my chart on my phone on the MT5, and we can watch the news together and see what it does to my account. So as I said, we have news in literally how long? 30 seconds? 30 seconds. This is the chart, and let's see what it does when the news comes out. I've got it set up, as you can see here. Let's see, look. So in literally 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how news came out.
Any minute now. Let's see.
It's either going to be positive for euro, which will make it go up, or negative, which will make it go down. It was only medium impact as well, so it won't really do much, as you can see here. So I'm going to continue holding. Let's see how it came out. Still pending. Oh, so both came out positive for the euro, so we're probably just going to get a small reaction now soon to the upside. As you can see here, 0.5, forecast was 0.3. Durable goods orders, you can see, came at 5.3%, and the forecast was 3.1%. So we should see a very nice, shortly, a quick reaction back to the upside. So we have actually, as I said earlier, that whenever I opened the long position, EU did react from the news, and we're currently running around 2k in profit, so 4% on the account, as you can see right here. Let me just put the camera down. As you can see right here, we're running some really nice profit on the GU trade, and I've got 2 positions open on EU longs as well. Right now, we are literally going to get ready now for the gym. Innit?
Yes.
Going to get ready for the gym and hit a nice push session. So, boys, quick update, obviously, on the trades. We just got back from the gym. It was a decent session, should we call it. It wasn't the best gym. It was all right. But we actually, let me quickly show you, we've actually managed to smash a beautiful... I think GU hit TP on my longs, and EU I closed manually because the account was passed anyway. We've actually passed the phase 1 account in literally a single day, even though we was in drawdown. I think we was in drawdown 4%, I'm pretty sure. Let me quickly show you my phone. So boys, as you can see here, account has been passed. You can see there's 53,365, and if we go to today, as you can see here, first we was obviously in shorts, and then I obviously closed these positions here. And then as you can see here, these GU, as I said, hit TP. And then both the EU trades I've closed manually. As you can see here, $4,824,000 and profit $5,156, because obviously I was in drawdown at 48,000. So as I was saying, obviously it is possible to pass these fucking accounts literally in a day, boys. these phase ones, and then obviously phase 2 wait for another day because the move already happened. There's no point in you risking it again the same day just to try and rush it and pass it again. But I was just saying, when you know the move is happening and you know there's a certain move where price has to go, you're more than welcome to obviously scale in positions and pass that account faster. But I mean, you saw literally proof here, guys, that I passed this in literally a day, and I was even in drawdown $2,000, 4% on the account as well, and still managed to do it. So it doesn't mean, so this just shows that literally anyone can do it as long as you find a good setup, you've got a strategy that works, and just ignore your emotions. Pretty much that's just how you can pass these. But yeah, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to chill out for a bit. I'm going to chill out. I'm going to probably order some food because I'm starving after the gym, and then we'll see what we do tonight. So I changed plans. I've just called BZFX, and we actually are going to be heading out for some food in the old town in Warsaw. It's a nice little like chill restaurant spot. It's quite cozy in there. Nice traditional Polish food. So I'm going to be heading out there literally in 10 minutes or so. I'm going to head down to the lobby, meet him there, and we're going to order the bolt there. So I'm going to bring the camera with me anyway to the restaurant, show you obviously the food and the journey there as well. And what I'll do is I'll keep you updated on the trades and the premium group trade as well. So yeah. Got myself a starter, which was super main, which is like the Polish pierogi, so dumplings, and then I got myself a dessert, which is a bowl of ice cream with chocolate sauce. Beautiful day today. We've literally smashed. Not only we ended the day in 2% profit on the Monday in the premium group, but also, as you saw earlier, we made $5,000 literally in a day on my challenge account, and we managed to pass phase 1. So tomorrow I'm going to carry this vlog on tomorrow as well. It's going to be like a longer vlog than usual, and what we're going to do is pass the phase 2 tomorrow pretty much. But obviously tomorrow I'm going to be heading back home to where I'm from in Poland. So what I'll do is I'll vlog obviously the journey back home in the car, and also as soon as I get in, I'll try and get onto the charts and see if we can hit a nice trade to pass the phase 2 as well. Tomorrow I've got a busy day anyway because I've got my granddad's, it's a mass for my granddad that unfortunately passed away on the 27th of December. So I'm going to go that with my nan as well. But yeah, I'm going to carry the vlog on tomorrow and just see what happens, and hopefully pass phase 2 tomorrow as well.